Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Hytale error when creating a world step by step. Now, these are some of the quick fixes that work best for most of the players and will help you load into your world without any issues. So, without further delay, let's get straight into it. So, first of all, you need to restart Hytale launcher as administrator. So you need to close your Hytale game completely. After that, I want you to click on this search icon here on your PC or laptop. Now click on this power button and you need to simply restart your PC or laptop first. Afterwards, when you are inside your Windows or PC laptop, instead of launching the Hytale game right away, you just have to click on its icon, and when you right click on it, you are going to see the option of run as administrator. So you need to run the game as an administrator. This particular step alone is going to fix the world creation errors that are caused by the permission blocks. Now, in the second method, you can disable the modes completely if you are using them. Even one broken mode can stop your world from generating. So the fastest way is to turn them off. So you can open the launcher, then you can go to your modes list. After that, from the list, you can just disable everything. Now you can try creating a new world again and see if it is working or not, or if the mode was actually the issue or not. Now you can also try deleting some of the cache files from your system. For that, simply press Windows plus R on your keyboard. After that, you need to type one command here, which would be %app%data. When you click on the option of OK, you are going to see the list of various folders. Among these, you need to look for Hytale folder. After that, you need to delete the config file, the configuration, and the temp files and the cache files from there. After doing it, simply restart your game and see if it is working properly or not. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.